Well, I already messed up this one. Welcome back to another Animal Company video. We're farming the ogre. So, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Okay. If I drop my stuff, can somebody please get my stuff?
Yeah, if anyone dies, that one other person has to grab this.
Yeah. And I only have 3 things. I have a backpack and revolver and a grappler.
I'm just getting some cluster bombs.
Oh, that's useful. Watch me beat up the ogre. Hey, Stinky.
Oh no! Oh no! 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 No!
Watch out! No! I got him! I got him!
ammo. We got RPG ammo. RPG ammo.
That was so cool.
Guys, ready?
Like, you can like pretty much just kamikaze.
Yo, I know how to make it.
Guys,
Guys,
help me! Guys, I have a plan. Guys, I have a plan.
What's your plan? What's your plan?
So I be on top and I start shooting ogre from the top, and then Eli, while I'm shooting him, you start punching him.
Come here.
Is that fun?
I got it. So I have to be careful. Actually, like he'll run away by accident. And then you're gonna start crashing out. And then you're gonna start crashing out on me, and I don't want it. You want me to kill the chickens or what? Come here, chicken littles.
Where's the crate? There
Come
it
on,
is.
chicken littles.
Darn mate.
Oh, dang.
Where's the crates? There they are.
Oh, you can have this one. You can have that
Oh,
one.
dang it. Oh,
Like, you can have it. I don't know.
wow.
A longsword?
Guys, let's kill Rockmaster.
Longsword.
Hold on, wait. Let me just refill.
Okay.
Guys, do not kill Rockmaster yet. Watch me spam the ogre. I mean, the Hulk
Wait,
fist.
hold on, where'd you go?
With your crossbow?
No, with my ogre, with my fists.
Where'd you go? Oh, there you are, dude. I was having a hard time trying to find you. It looked like there was a crime scene.
Bro got
No.
Bro, there's
Really got spammed out.
There's revolver ammo, JD, if you want it. Got it from the crate.
Revolver?
Turkey!
That. Can somebody grab that?
Sure. I'll grab it.
Turkey!
Turkey, chicken
little.
Go in the rock cave! Do it, you won't.
Go in there.
It makes them
Have you
slow.
ever wished? Have you ever wished that the monsters can like fight each other or something?
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Kill ogre again.
Like what would happen if like an ogre?
Remember the plan that I
Mason,
said?
come on.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. I'm just.
I go on top of him and I start shooting him with my revolver, and then
No.
Eli, you start punching him.
Oh, there he is. Mason,
There is. All right.
come here!
Shoot him.
Or that.
There we go.
That works.
That worked too.
Hey, chicken littles. No. Wait, hold on. Dude, I forgot there's. I'm so dumb.
Ah!
Let's just kill the chicken.
JD, there's revolver ammo.
I know.
Come on, chicken little. Come here, chicken
Wait, no,
little.
where is it? Where's the revolver?
Over here.
I got a chicken little. I killed a chicken little.
Thank you.
Time to kill another chicken little.
What the heck?
You just punched your friend. How did? Oh my god.
I got a shotgun!
Okay.
Now, you started getting so excited after getting a shotgun.
Now
You acted like that was the most rare item you could.
I'm trying to kill this turkey.
No, right there.
Well, the
I
shotgun's
killed him.
dead
I
now.
killed the ogre.
I got him.
I killed the ogre.
Let me get a crate.
No,
Flashbang.
my stuff almost went away.
Where's my other Hulk fist?
Where'd it go?
I killed it.
Chicken
Oh, there it is.
little.
There's a crate
Chicken
over-
little.
Found it.
Let me check if I have any more ammo. I do. Okay, I
There's
do. I do
crates
still
over
have some
here. I
ammo.
found a crate.
Where?
I'm gonna take it.
No, I want it.
Okay.
Please.
No, I never had a crate. I never had a crate. I never had a
Yeah,
crate.
totally.
Okay, open it. Open it. You're gonna get so lucky. That's called luck right there.
Alright, let's kill the ogre again.
Okay, my eye. Hold on.
Where's his biggie self?
So where's the ogre? Where's this queso-sized broad wave looking fat?
Where's this queso looking guy?
He's there.
Oh, frick no. Oh,
What just happened?
Dude, when I tried to shoot the crossbow at him, it like didn't even work.
did y'all hear the ogre? Did y'all
It just
hear the
ricocheted.
sounds
It like
of the-
ricocheted.
Did y'all hear the sounds of the?
Oh!
Did y'all hear the sounds of these things? It was just spamming.
Yeah, dude. I saw you. I saw your arm just like.
Wow, I want that.
Like-
credit. For him.
So like, if you,
Let's go rock monster.
so, if you ever had a dream, then okay. So
Baseball bat. And
hold on. How can you tell that you were having a dream?
Because you just think you just get in your ass.
Like one time when I had a dream, I said, "This is a dream."
I missed.
All right, we're just getting ready, prepared to kill the ogre again.
Where's
It
his
takes
big-
one cluster bomb just to kill him.
No, it takes like a bajillion. Let me kill this turkey. Or not. She's gonna win. Do not kill ogre with your things. I'm gonna punch him.
Okay, punch him to death. Okay.
Where is he?
I'm gonna watch you, and I'm gonna stun him. Okay, I'm gonna stun him so you
Yes,
can
done him.
hit him.
Oh, I see him.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go in, go in. Go, go, beat him up, beat him up.
All I hear is, oh.
He's dead. That's what.
Nah, but why does that sound like the Hulk?
That's what. There's another flashbang if you want it, bro.
Yo,
I just heard.
yo, I'm just gonna put this in my backpack, cause.
Turkey.
Okay, I'm gonna kill the ogre with the cluster bombs. You wanna hear a fun fact?
RPG ammo.
It would be
Is this
real
your
nice if we had an RPG.
Who's hover?
Mine,
I don't know, it probably came out of the
want it.
crate. Now, but why is this like so goofy? Like, what if we just like,
Wait, I have an idea.
Hi.
why did you sound like Balloon Boy?
Guys, it's about to go off. The RPG ammo's gonna blow up. Run!
No, wait, get back! No, don't you dare, don't you bleep that!
Why'd you
That could've
hit
worked.
me, Eli?
Now he's going on a hunting spree for turkeys. He wants some turkeys for some reason.
What the?
If the ogre appears out of nowhere, alert me because I will shoot him.
Shotgun ammo. Let's go.
Guys, I'm gonna go.
What?
What?
I said I'm gonna go
and
and
You have to get off?
No, I'm just joking. Oh,
Wait,
ogre's
wait,
back
hold on,
now,
you have to
kidding
get off.
me?
You have to actually get off.
Mason, flashbang him. Or not. I wanted to explode.
I'll just.
I just shot him.
I want.
what? Always get the.
What did I get? How did you
I don't know.
Where's that? We could have used that.
Wait, hold on. You have to actually get off in general or not?
No, I do not.
She was just joking.
Oh, okay. Okay. Jeez,
I destroyed it.
Ah, jeez.
How much RPG ammo are we gonna get? We don't even have an RPG.
Dude, we would be lucky if we got an RPG.
Don't you
Yeah,
dare
we
even
got
set
an
it up.
RPG ammo.
I can't.
Oh, dang. What do you have? A
Crowbar.
crowbar. Alright, I'm gonna start the ogre.
Where is he?
I'm just gonna go wee.
I'm just gonna yell out. And then I'm just gonna like say, help me, okay?
What about me? What about me? What about me and you together?
What was that?
Something like a real. Is he here?
Is he here?
He's here!
He's right there! Fire! Why is his neck so disoriented?
He's dead.
His neck was so disoriented. His neck was like twisted upward.
Revolver ammo!
There's revolver ammo for you.
Revolver ammo.
Really?
JD?
Yeah, it's right here.
Give me it.
Something like a
Put that in your
real
back.
What about
Nah, bro,
me?
we went away for like a couple seconds and
What
then
about
he just
me?
spawned back.
Bro, he spawned right on top of me.
Ah! That did not warn me. Took you.
Eli, watch me. Watch me do this. Do something. You can't hit me.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get! Come here, Mason. You're my next predator. You're my next prey. Come here. Come here!
What is it? What is it? What do you want? What do you want? What
I
do you
want to
need?
punch you.
No, or else I'll shoot you. Hey, no! Hey, I'm friendly!
Aw.
Attack the enemy.
Whoa, buddy, whoa! All I did was just punch you.
Come here, I'm gonna attack you!
Please don't.
Nope. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. Okay.
Where's the oaks? Do not kill him with your stupid ningo, but the freak!
Go!
Do not. I gotta make him come over here.
Are you gonna eat him?
Did Eli
I think
die?
he died.
No, I died. No! I'm back. Where's my shotgun? Hey, where's my stuff?
Hey, I found your ogre hand.
Where's my shotgun and my other ogre hand? That shotgun was important. My shotgun!
I don't know where the heck your ogre hit.
Why? But I use a big flashlight.
Hold on, wait, did somebody join the code or what happened? Like, yo, hold on.
There it is.
So see that bomb right there? You see, oh no, not a bomb. You see this RPG right here? I'm gonna use this to my advantage. I'm gonna use this and put it over here, okay? And if I see him, and put the grenade over there, okay? And if I see him, can you actually stop?
What about me? What about me and you together? We something like a really last for you. What about me?
Like, I swear, I will actually buy this.
What about me? And he's right there! Behind you!
Oh my god.
Where's this crate?
Oh, there's a crate 88. Shotgun!
No! I swear, I wanted that.
Dude, I opened it!
You already have a shotgun.
I want another one. If you get shotgun ammo, give it to me.
Dude, you're greedy.
You're so greedy! Like, dang! You're so money.
You're so greedy.
This is mine, as you can see. And you're probably willing to kill me over a gate.
Come here, I'm gonna put you in the face. Yeah, I really hope Ogre kills you, Mason. Just kidding.
If I had ogre hands, I would slap you in the face.
Yeah, buddy. Get out.
I'm a sheriff with the revolver. Stop.
He's back with
I'm
his
gonna
big
get you
self.
if you don't stop hitting me.
Yo, his big back is so
hitting me
slow.
on purpose.
Him. Wait, make him come over
Three,
here.
go now, flash him. Oh, I'm helping you. That was so quicker.
Dynamite. I'm gonna open that crate since I killed him. Or not.
There's a grenade over here.
Mason.
Oh, give me the grenade. I need this.
What about me? What about me?
Can you, Eli? Can you please stop?
Okay, I
hitting
would
me on
actually need
purpose?
you in one time in my entire life, but I don't really need you. Not seriously.
You ran into me that time.
Okay, so.
What the frick? What? What did you just cause? Did you cause the dynamite to go off?
No. Okay, maybe.
Where?
I was over there. It was over there when it happened.
Can you please tell me why this rock looks like a face?
A what?
What?
Wait, no, come over here.
Oh, what? He's dead.
I want to see the rock face. Oh, because they are.
What the Sigma?
I really went full kamikaze.
Hey, what are you doing for my stuff? Hey, drop my stuff. What are you doing?
I want your shot.
Hey, dude! I swear!
What are you gonna do?
I shrimp. Like did most of the damage. Like I did pretty much half.
Yeah, totally, bud. I literally destroyed him.
Dude, I shot him with the grenade.
Yeah,
he started
takes
looting
4
me.
grenades to
And then
kill
it looks like he
himself.
started looting me. I need a snack. Thanks. Hold on. I need to climb this. I need to get to the high ground. I need a flash grenade if I'm
There's one right
on
there.
stunner.
There's one right there.
Oh, they're right here.
That'll be useful when I beat him up. Okay, JD, why does it make sense? Why does that rock look like a man face?
That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying.
Animal Company,
Oh,
why?
what the heck? Hold on.
Wait, is it a
I was saying that.
Oh, there's like over there.
He's protecting his man face.
Strength in numbers. Fire! Yeah!
Revolver ammo.
Where's the? Oh,
Oh, bet.
Oh.
No one.
This is gonna be shotgun ammo. Never mind. I thought it was gonna be shotgun ammo.
What about me?
Eli, stop hitting me!
I'm not. You're running into me.
Yo, there's chicken littles over here.
Kill him.
Why do you keep calling them chicken littles? They're turkeys.
Yeah, I know they're turkeys. I just call them chicken littles for fun. Yo, I found a crate over here. I found a crate.
Where?
I found a crate. It's right over here.
What's it? Open it.
I am. I'm just getting up here to
Hold up.
the high ground. So if the ogre spawns, all right. What do you think is gonna be in here?
What did you get, Mason?
I called it! There's a grenade.
Yo, actually, hold on, dude. I found shotgun ammo for you. I found shotgun ammo.
Let's go.
So I found
I killed an ogre with 4 shots in my revolver.
So I'm gonna throw a RPG at him, and I'm gonna explode it. So it
Guys,
can
you
cause a
think
big
we should save up the
explosion.
crates and then at the end that we're doing this, we open it?
Yeah, let's save it. Let's save it.
Should we go Rockmaster?
Yeah.
We should.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, he gives out like some of the best loot.
If Ogre comes back, just kill him.
But why
Yeah.
does it look like a face?
I'll be the one that
rock
holds the
creeps
crates.
Nah, but I'm being serious. Yeah, for real. Why does it look like a face?
Guys, I'll be the one
Like it
that
looks like it
holds
got carved. It looks like it got
It's
carved.
creeping me out.
Guys, I'll be the one that's holding the crates. Let me go Rockmaster.
All right, go kill him. Oh, come. Oh, jeez.
Don't open the crates.
All right. Open it. Oh no, that's the wrong word. I mean, put it in your backpack. Why did I say open? Okay, I'm gonna go explore this plate.
I bet. Ooh. What the freak was that for? Turkey.
Turkey!
Should we kill? Wait.
You want me to kill the turkey? You
Yeah,
want me to kill the turkey? Alright, step back.
Nice.
Oh,
Where's it? Hey. I was. I'm.
what? Okay.
Mason, dump out the crate.
Yo, what is it? What is it?
You put the crate in your bag. I will shoot you right now.
Yeah. Do you have shotgun ammo still? No, I don't.
Dump out the crate.
Yeah,
Out the
but.
Why did you do that?
Because I needed to. He's being annoying. He won't give me the crate.
You
Rock monster.
needed to do that. Just kill him.
Come here, Rock Monster.
Dude, it's fine. I got your back.
Like I swear, the next time I'll just.
Boy.
Oh, you killed me! What do you expect me to react? Oh, thank you for killing me, so you can take my crate.
That does not hurt me at all. Okay, maybe it does a bit.
Okay, maybe it does a bit. Okay, that makes sense. Well,
Alright, now you're gonna kill Rock Monster with snowballs.
you better get ready, boy. You better get ready.
Rock monster.
That doesn't work.
I know. I this can just cause a simple explosion. Okay, so just. And I'm telling you, it could work.
If Rock Monster steps on it,
Oh, he's here! He's back! Oh, shoot.
hit him with snowballs, hit him with snowballs. Bro, hit him!
Dude, I'm getting something out!
What about me? What about me?
Okay, I just had to get a grenade, so...
If anyone gets shotgun in, we'll give it to him.
Why should you listen to me?
Gino, you're like the one that gets all of the revolver ammo.
I know, right?
You're like so lucky with revolver ammo. Can I shoot myself? Is that possible?
So, you guys might want to back up once you shoot the RPG or whatever.
Oh.
Because I don't want you to lose your stuff, okay? So.
What the?
Alright, 3, 2, young.
Chong, chong,
That's
chong.
cool.
What is that? Hey, dude, what is that? What is that? Oh my god.
Shoot him with snowballs. Bro, give me the crossbow. Let me do it.
Hold on, do I have any ammo? What the hell is... Dude, what is wrong with that? Okay. Ah! Now we're getting firing snowballs at it!
Where's the other crate? Where's...
Is there anything that I can... Hold on. Let me check. Let me just bring out my big flashlight so I can see if there's anything good.
Does anybody have like a turkey to kill? Since I need something to really eat.
Same.
I'm real.
Oops.
Okay, you could have made some of yourself.
Can somebody kill a chicken?
Does
Alright, I'm gonna go exploring here, okay? I'm just gonna go explore, okay?
anybody? Oh my god. Are you serious? One
What?
more crate.
That is...
Grenade.
Guys!
Mason.
Yeah, what is it? Oh, yeah. Yo, thank you so much. I needed this so much. Hopefully this doesn't ricochet off of something random.
And make sure to shoot that RPG ammo.
Like, swear, if this ricochets again, I swear to God. Okay.
That turtle.
Okay. Time for him to get close, okay? Yo, why don't you step back, cause in case, like, I'm gonna shoot the RPG ammo, okay? Oh. Dang.
Give me these plates. I needed a turkey. Oh wait, never mind. I really don't.
Yo, look, there's a glow stick. Let me just get this real quick.
Yoink, beacon room today.
Huh? This can actually just... I'll just let this float over here, so...
Can I shoot myself?
Imagine you could shoot yourself. That would be...
Beskoro, look up.
Oh, I'm looking up.
Are you upstairs? Are you up there? Oh,
I meant to.
I feel like body slip.
Wow.
oh, grenade. Wow, grenade. Nice. Let me just...
Crossbow. Yoink. Oh,
What is in there that is lighting up? Oh.
glow stick.
The weird glow stick little thingy that's floating in the air.
No, we need that.
It gives us a light.
Oh, come on.
Makes
Wait, hold on. Wait, my back! my backpack!
Dude.
Oh no, it's still.
Why did you do that? It was perfect the way it was.
Doing.
Rapid fire on James!
Rapid fire and Mason. Ow.
Hey, stop it! Ow, that hurts. That hurts. Ow, snowball. I can barely speak.
Okay, stop.
Snowball war! Snowball war! Snowball war!
Yeah, buddy. Move. I'm trying to snipe him. Come on, buddy. Peek.
Come on! Oh, shoot.
Dang, bro, you slow at shooting.
Rock monster's back.
Come here! Okay, let's actually stop.
There's a baseball nerve.
I said stop!
Jeez, bro. Rockmaster.
No! Rocket fire! Annoying.
My bag can only hold one more.
I need chicken.
You need chicken.
I need chicken.
Rapid firing on you.
Can you stop?
I'm not trying to shoot you. I'm trying to shoot me. Should we kill Ogre? Let's kill Ogre.
Why not?
Alright, guys. We're gonna kill Ogre.
This video?
Oh, come on.
This video should be called Killing the Ogre and Rock Monster.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna name it that. Alright, guys. Come on. Stop being scaredy cats.
My health is not good.
Oh,
Let's go. Mason! Is that a
What?
flashbang? It's not a free flashbang. Mason?
What the heck?
That rock that looks like a face is still there.
Why do they, hold on, why do they still stay in place? Like, he's right there! He's right there! He's fine! Get back, Sergeant! Get back! Protect the fort! Protect the fort! Why are you hitting me? Why are you hitting me?
JD Mon, get him!
Oh, nah, bro, he just went over it.
Where's the other crate? Where's the other crate?
Bro, I'm literally getting over it. Like, dang!
Alright, guys.
There's
The
a
bag's full
football.
of crates. The bag is full of crates. Everyone go back to spawn.
Okay, let's go.
Oh,
We're done doing our job.
Actually, should we get a whole blue bag?
we should.
We should get a blue bag.
Yo. Mine, bud. Oh.
Bro, how?
Why?
I never knew. I was trying to shoot the landmine, not you. and explode. I wasn't trying to explode
I did
you.
not mean to hit you or kill you.
Alright, guys. Let's go.
Dude, I tried to hit him landmine, but then it just.
Alright, guys, we're going back to We're going to.
Don't
keep
hit the
farming.
mine.
Okay.
This one's the kid for killing mine. Come over here for free pumpkins. Come over here for free pumpkins.
I will actually blast you with a shotgun. I forgot. Come here!
Mess with me, huh? Wanna mess with me, huh? I can rapid fire on you. What is worth 1 gem? I completely forgot about that. I'm going to get that.
Where are you guys?
Hey!
Where are you? Tomorrow I can buy the.
That came right from the dead.
Your shotgun's right there.
Or today if I get one.
Oh yeah, you give me my back first. Thanks. Come here, ball. I'm gonna kill him.
Best Gorilla, where are you?
Come here, I'm gonna fire at you. Country road, take me home.
Fight me, you won't. Fight me, you won't. Psych.
Come here.
Catch me if you can.
I thought we were getting crates in this video.
I missed. God dang it, I missed. Oh. That's useless.
Freak!
I have to. I'm trying to move in real life. Oh jeez.
You have my stuff?
Oh shoot!
Yep, that's definitely my stuff.
Bro, I hate how these zip lines like throw you into the lava.
I know. That sucks.
They like throw you off.
Yo, hold on. Is that my backpack? I think
Yep.
that's my backpack here. Oh come on, I missed! Like I hate the fact that it just makes you like pretty much fall into the lava.
Let's go. Yeah. All right, JD. Come on, we're gonna go get some more crates. So let's go ahead and.
Oh dang it!
All right, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Mason, come on. Big bag. I'm just kidding.
What's that
My grenade. Mason, come on. Where is he?
Bro.
What? Ah, dang it! I thought I could snipe him. I thought I could snipe you, Mason. I was so close to getting him. Not a plunger.
That first try, you almost sniped him.
Yeah. Where is he?
Why are you trying to kill me? Guys, I'm on the ceiling.
Mason! Where is he?
I'm up here.
Yep, where's Mason?
Oh, Mason. I know where you went.
Where?
Follow me.
Oh yeah, he's over here somewhere. Wait, no, he's this way.
Dude, you ran past me!
Huh?
What's up, Preston?
It bounced off.
Okay, well, I'm not that rich.
Guys, I'm gonna fly.
Free bird.
Dang it.
That
Messed it up.
Guys, can you help me? I'm kind of on the roof.
roof of what? Oh, gee.
Can you guys look up to the sky?
Gina, why do I see your body on the Tech Tree headset, but you're in the overworld?
How goofy do I look?
Yo, I gotta go. My
You
dog
gotta get
is
off.
doing something, yep.
JD, Mason has to get off.
Okay.
These two are for you. And two more
Okay.
are for you. Another two more. Are for you. Another 2 more.
My bag's
Are
full.
for you.
My bag's is full.
I'm back.
All right, Mason gave me a
You
lot
could
of.
have given. You could have given them to her. You know.
Okay, JD,
Okay, now I gotta go.
should we open?
See you
these
later.
crates?
See you later.
Mason, can you stay for the crates?
Okay, I guess I'll stay for the crates.
Can
Ooh,
you stay
grenade.
for the outro
First
too?
crate.
You got shotgun ammo. That's nice.
Do I even have a shotgun?
Ooh, alright, what's in the next crate? Hold on. Just got like every bomb like
RPG
over
ammo
here or
if you want
something.
that. Grenade.
Another grenade. Just put this on the
A shield.
That barely even works.
Another RPG ammo.
I caught it so perfectly.
A flashbang. A shot. Oh, this is my shotgun.
You act like it came from the crate. Alright, what's in there? Another crossbow. A pogo stick and I'll... Oh, dang it, I wanted that. Well, something that's useless. Revolver ammo just for you.
Empty.
Empty.
I'm gonna keep.
Empty.
I'm keeping this. RPG.
Empty.
Where's the other RPG ammo? Mason.
Wait, hold on, let me check.
Is that all the crates?
Yep, that's all the crates.
Over here. The crate is over. The RPG ammo is over here.
Oh. What he actually thought. Alright, guys. Go back to the shot mirror.
Alright, I gotta go now.
Bye.
Alright, guys. That's
Looks
gonna
like it's just us two.
yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. That was farming Rock Monster and Ogre and opening their crates. And that's very useful. And RPG ammo, but end of the video. Bye.
Wait.
What?
Wait, before you end the video,
What?
there's one thing I have to say.
What?
Subscribe to Best Gorilla.
Okay, why are you talking like that?
I don't know,
I have an idea.
but
I just wasted ammo. Alright, end of the video. Bye.